Oxo Brew 8-cup coffee maker, stainless steel, capacity 64 fluid ounces, brand Oxo, color stainless steel. Special feature: manual coffee maker type, drip coffee machine. About this Oxo machine: Gold standard coffee, certified by the Specialty Coffee Association. Brew by the cup or the carafe. Single serve capability with optional brew basket accessory included. Optimizes flavor better, brew precision, controls water temperature and brew cycles, meeting the Specialty Coffee Association's Golden Cup standard. Rainmaker shower head evenly distributes water over grounds. Double wall, vacuum insulated thermal carafe with brew